Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add a video on your home page without YouTube info. So if you wanted to add video from YouTube but don't want it to display any YouTube info on your Shopify website homepage, then you can continue this video, because here I am going to share very easy video guidelines so that you can do it by yourself without hiring a developer. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then I am going to click on the online store. Now going to click on the customize button. Okay, now I am going to add video under featured product. Okay, so going to click on add section, then click on the liquid, custom liquid, and here we are going to add code. So I'm going to YouTube, and here I'm going to open a video, and I wanted to add this video on my Shopify website. So going to click on the share, then click on the embed and copy and paste it here. Okay, and you can see that I did a mistake, and this is the wrong way that actually you don't want. So now I am going to share the easy process to fix it. So here is the code that you have to paste right here. Looks here, and I'm going to share the code again. You can type this code by yourself. Okay, you can push this video and type this code by yourself, and by this time I'm going to share my WhatsApp and email address so that you can contact with me for your website store customize and development or maintenance or anything relevant to your Shopify website. Okay, just add this code, and in the source src just add your video link. So how you get this video link? First you have to go to YouTube and open the video that you wanted to add. Then after YouTube, just type pp, then press enter. Now you can download this video. So I am going to download this video. Download. Okay, this video is downloading right now, and now I have to upload this video. So go back, click on the content, file, and upload this video. It's uploading. Okay, our video uploaded. Now going to click on the copy link and open the code again, and here I am going to reflect the code. Just paste the new link and copy all the code and paste it code here. Click on the save. Wow, now we can see that there are no any info from YouTube. So I hope you understand the easy process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service, support, relevant Shopify, WordPress or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.